people take advantage of you? Do you feel the need to do things for people for them to like you? Or you're not able to say no to people, or you're not able to assert yourself when needed? I'm going to help you fix that. The first thing first you need to do is be more assertive. The reason why you seek validation, the reason why you let people walk all over you and you can't tell them no and correct them when they do you wrong is because you are seeking validation and you have a weak mindset and you have a weak attitude and you are a very passive person. You do not assert yourself in any type of way. And part of that is because you feel like you're lacking, whether it's your manhood or some type of way. But a lot of it is usually because you feel like you're not man enough to handle situations. To do that, you need to start telling people no, and you need to start practicing assertiveness. You need to start telling people the things you do not like when they do it on the spot. Do not wait and try to overthink it or try to come up with some type of plan to handle it. No, you handle it when it happens so it doesn't happen again, so you don't have to dwell on it and then overthink and then worry too much and then you back out of it and then you say you'll do it next time. That does not work. You need to put your balls back where they belong and then go walk to them and then tell them how it is. Stop letting people walk all over you, because what it does is make you hate the people you actually like to be around. You're going to feel bitter towards those people, but the thing is they never did anything to you to begin with. In their mind, you never corrected them. If they've done it multiple times, if you've corrected them multiple times, now it's time for you to find a way to disconnect from that person. Let it be known for good. You do not go back to that person. You may forgive them, but you do not go back on your word. If you walked out of them people's life, you stay out of them people's life. If they try to walk back, just remind them where they belong. The next thing you need to start doing is start making progress in every part of your life. The reason why you're not confident is because you're not making enough progress. If you're making progress in multiple parts of your life, even if they're small progress, your confidence will start teaching you that you can do more, you can be more, and you can assert yourself more. But to do that, you need to start building the confidence level in different type of way. You need to start telling people no. You need to start hitting the gym. If you're not hitting the gym, you need to start practicing how you speak so you can articulate your words properly and tell people how you feel without having a breakdown, without going into your emotions. A lot of times we don't feel confidence is because we don't realize how far we've gotten. And if you go back and reflect on the past till now and realize how far you've gotten, you will see, damn, I've made a lot of progress. I am him. I can do more. I can be more. You'll start having this type of confident level that nobody can understand, but it will radiate from you and people will stop trying you. And when they do try you, you will have the confidence to put them in their place. You will have the confidence to stop people pleasing. You will have the confidence to stop over caring and worrying. All of that stems from not having confidence. When I say confidence, it could be like financial confidence, physical, mental, all of it. Like if you're worrying about the past, if you're worrying about the future, all those type of things affect you in a different way. But if you fixing all these things, if you're working on your body, working on your financial ways, you getting new skills and you doing all these things and you eating good, there's no way you cannot not have a higher confidence, because you will see so much result. It's impossible to ignore them, and it's impossible to be ignored once you're doing all these things. People will start treating you different. They will start respecting you more, and shit, girls will start giving you their numbers. I have girls walking up to me and giving me their numbers now. It's like, oh shit. People respond with sir. People don't try me as much. You move different. The more you build confidence and charisma and all these things and building up different levels of your life, you become him and people start treating you different and you start having that confidence to act different and be different. That's all I got for you guys. Those are the main things that it takes to fix a weak mindset. And remember, stay consistent and stay disciplined. Always take action. You can start taking action today by subscribing.